Hey YouTube, it's your girl Green. Welcome back to my channel.
She's here. I am so excited right now. Okay, so let me keep it on this side because I don't want to show my stuff, but I'm so excited. If you don't know who CoryxKenshin is, be gone. But anyways, I love Cory. I've been watching Cory's videos since the pandemic, since like 2020. I think I started watching in like April, and I don't even know how I even got started watching Cory's videos, but I'm very grateful that I have, because I be watching Cory's videos sometimes and I just be like, dang, like this is me. But anyways, I bought Cory's book, his manga, Monsters Remake. I bought it on December 16th, the day that he said to go in. As soon as in the video he was like, you guys, I got a book, da 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 da, like I got a webpage. I said, bought. So I bought it, and it's been over like 2 months, a little bit over 2 months, and I was getting a little scared because it was like maybe a couple of weeks ago that Cory was reposting people's posts on their Instagrams about how they got their books, and I was like, where is my book at? And I checked my emails, but I don't know why, but I did not see the email that I had gotten one of the signed books, and I was like, I made the cut. So I got one out of 777 signed books. So let's open her up and double make sure that it's correct, because if I didn't actually get it, I might cry. But let's go. It's so pretty. Sticker! Ooh, stickers! Okay, box. Throw that over there. We got a Monsters Remake sticker. And then I got a Sonata, I hope I'm saying it right, sticker as well. Ooh, these stickers. I love when I get stickers because I'm always like, where am I going to put them? But now I put them on my little makeup caboodle thingy. So that's where I'm going to put it. It says on here, to the greatest community on the planet. Okay. Enough of that. Guys, she's so cute. And I'm just seeing now, it says 16 plus. Anyways, I don't remember. It says I got, okay, so he like wrote which number. I got 27 out of 777. But where the signature at, boo? Where the signature at? Where's the signature? Oh, I'm dumb. The signature is right here on the cover. I'm looking for it inside the book, but it's right here. CoryxKenshin. But also, I love this photo. It looks so good. But I already read it digitally. I probably am gonna read it again since I have the physical copy. But I'm just so excited that I finally got it. And this is gonna be my first ever manga, because I was gonna buy One Piece manga when I went to, where did I go? I went to Anime LA, and I was gonna buy manga, but then I already spent so much money on a bunch of other stuff, so I didn't end up buying any manga. But I'm kind of excited. This is my first one, and it's signed by the creator, and the creator is CoryxKenshin, so even better. 10 out of 10 for that one. But I'm so excited for the next few mangas that are gonna come out for this series, because number one, this series really surprised me, because I don't know what I thought it was gonna be about, but it ended up being better than what I thought. I like the whole plot of them being smart and them being smarter than the rest of the kids at the school, and that they're tasked with like having to save humanity. Also, I love the main character being black, obviously, and that he's just like 10 times better than everybody else, so I love that for him. Main character energy, for real. Here it is, here it is. This page, and this, what page number is this? I don't know. But this page, and I'll throw up like an actual photo from the digital, but this page right here, literally in my mind was like, you need to cosplay as Jabari, because why not? We love a good gender bend cosplay. And the suit, I love the suit so. Oh wait, Sonata, Brain. This is where they're at. Yeah. It's all tying in. But yes, the suit. I'm like, I need to build the suit. I'm already getting into my self-made cosplay era. Anyways, gonna have cosplay what is it called? Con Crunch Chronicles videos coming out sometime in the next month because we're getting ready for WonderCon. But anyways, for this suit, I'm like, I have to make this suit and wear this to an anime convention. I don't know what anime convention I'm going to wear it to, but it's going to happen this year. Wait on it because it's going to eat down. So look out for that. But I don't have anything else to say other than I'm so happy that this came in because I literally been complaining to my coworkers about how I haven't got my book yet and how upset I was. But I'm so happy that it came in. And in like the email, because I didn't read it, because I didn't see it at first, but it did tell me that was going to take a little bit longer because they were sending my book to Cory so that he could sign it. And then they were going to ship it to me. So that's why it took a little longer. But I'm just so excited, guys. And like, if you guys haven't already bought the book, you can still buy it right now. You can still buy the manga online. You can get the digital copy and then wait for the physical to come in. I don't know how long the delivery process is because I don't work for Cory or anything like that. And this video is not sponsored, but it could be. Hi, Cory. But yeah, I definitely would recommend buying, especially for like black anime fans. I feel like you should read this because the main character is black. I don't think there's a lot of anime like TV shows or mangas just in general that are based around black characters. So I feel like as a black anime watcher, lover, manga lover, you should get this one. Alright. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that anybody that loves Cory and maybe, I don't know, maybe you just didn't watch the video when Cory said to go buy it and you didn't buy it, you was like, no. But go buy it. I hope this video makes you want to go buy it. Low-key, I might buy another copy just to have two. But that's the end of this video. See you guys sometime later. Bye!